Getting ready to have our first cookout of the year. Got the charcoal going in the chimney. We're gonna have pork chops. Well, that's after cooking them 4 minutes on the side, steaming them, and then now they're gonna go on the grill and cook. Right now we got 2 more steaming. Another 4 minutes for them. You can just hear them sizzling in there. Temperature's up to about 350. Them look good. Can't wait to dig into them tonight. Got little peepholes in there to look at the coals. Yeah, we moved inside because it's sprinkling. And I didn't want to get wet. So a sprinkle leads to a shower. Hear that when it hit the fire, man? Listen. Want to put that juice on there?
I sure am. Butter and seasoning.
We're going to dig into these ones and get them ready. There they are. They're looking good. Can't wait to dig into them. Got some potatoes. Well, how's it taste, wife? Nice and juicy. Look at that.
Look at that juice.
Sorry to eat in front of you, but that's called pitmaster privilege.